Hi everyone, welcome to another exciting video reviewing an IKEA product. Now, while I've done the LILLHULT before in the USB-C style, as well as doing a 4-month follow-up, if you want to look at my channel, they are there. Today we're going to do the micro USB version of the same charger. Now, why do the micro USB? Well, a lot of people still have micro USB devices. Not everybody's tragically hip enough to be able to go to the Apple store and plunk down thousands of dollars every year for new junk that's not really that great. So a lot of us are still rocking the old micro USB phones and tablets. And I'm no different. I've got this Samsung Galaxy Tab Pro here, and we're going to use this to test our micro USB LILLHULT IKEA USB cable. Now, take it out of the package. By the way, this is only about $5 at IKEA. And it says it's 4'11", and that's almost 5 foot in my book. Or, if you're in the world that's not the United States or Myanmar, it's 1.5 meters. Myanmar is also known as Burma, if you don't know that. It's right by Bangladesh. Or maybe it's not. I don't really remember my geography of that part of the world. But I think I'm pretty close. Anyways, a quick way to cut those zip ties. It does come with a handy little carry strap, and it even says IKEA, so you can remember where you bought it from. Now, in the package, and nicely packaged as most IKEA products are, and there's some of you who think that they're not, but it's really not that bad. It's not like AliExpress levels of awful. And all this is here is, it says the crossed out wheel bin symbol indicates that the item should be disposed of separately from household waste. Okay. So basically it's e-waste and dispose of it accordingly. Yep, that's that. There's something with, looks like Chinese or Japanese characters. Whatever that is, and whatever that is. And it's made in China. Who would have guessed? Electronics, made in China. What a crazy world we live in. Anyways, let's get to testing our new IKEA LILLHULT USB cable. Now first I'm going to plug it in here. And that port is a little loose, but it actually, this captures really nice and tight compared to the one that I have been using that came, I think, from Walmart or some other third-rate place. Well, Walmart's only second-rate. And I'm going to have to take the camera down, and then we can take a look at the charge rate, which completely is not charging for some reason. Okay. Perhaps I have to take because it doesn't turn on the tablet either. It would normally turn on. Alrighty. So let's try doing this live without my fingers in the way. Holding the phone at the same time. Weird is that, and this is an IKEA charger, by the way. It does turn on, but it wasn't drawing through it. Okay. Now we're at 73% charge on our Samsung tablet. And I will just turn up the brightness so that everybody can see. So that should put us in the fat part of the charging curve. Because if you don't know, with a lithium-ion battery, it's going to charge a slow rate for the first 20%, the fastest rate between 20 and 80%, and then slow down again when it gets to that final 20% between 80 and 100. Unfortunately, here we're showing that this is only charging at 0.87 amps. Now, what I can do, and I'm going to put the camera down and pause for a second. So I'm going to go grab a different charger. I just unwrapped this charger. This is the first time I've used it. So hold on a second. And thanks to the magic of a pause button, I've come back with another charger. This one, the On brand from Walmart. So let's try plugging this one in. Seeing if maybe I can get it to do better than a 0.87. Or is that really all this cable's got with micro USB on it? Okay. So we got 1.61 amps coming out. So roughly double the charge rate coming out of our Walmart charger versus our IKEA Coppola charger. Now I am going to do a separate review of the Coppola charger at a later date. So let's go ahead and try one more thing. Maybe it's this dollar store power bank I'm using. And we're getting up to we're varying our amperage quite a bit here with our Chinese amperage device. But we're still doing much better than we were with the IKEA one. So this dollar store Sunbeam power strip. Okay, well now we're going back to down to the same numbers. Yeah, okay. So would I recommend the cable? Yes. Would I recommend the IKEA Class 2 power supply that says max of 2.4 amps per USB outlet? I have to say no. I will do a separate review on this, and I'm actually going to plug in 3 devices. But this has already gone too long for people who are in the IKEA store. So, anyway, thanks for watching. That was surprising. Oh, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.